Hey people, I have here this older YALE 40mm padlock. I don't know, I really like it. It's a neat old lock. One interesting thing about this lock is the body is stamped A61, whereas the plug is stamped B41. Now, to the best of my knowledge, this lock is not rekeyable. There's no way to remove the core, as far as I know. I could be wrong. There's a pin there that probably holds the entire assembly together, but at any rate, it is a YALE, so that in itself makes it pick worthy, in my opinion. So I'm going to go ahead and
that's great. He can't talk.
Shot here. I'm going to use a majestic small half diamond.
My son, he can't talk, so I'll break his arm. This is a monster you had a baby with.
Very tight keyway.
Not a father, a monster. This woman deserves an explanation. And you will not walk off my stage until she gets it. Why you did it. He broke your son's arm.
Okay. There it is. No major accomplishment, being is that it's only 4 pins, but still fairly tight keyway in there. Fairly deep wardings in the key, if you can see right there. Quite deep and jagged. But yeah, there it is. YALE, old YALE 40mm. Picked SPP. So rate it if you want, and peace as always. Have fun, and don't use this information for illegal purposes, and check out UK Lockpickers for quality picking tools. Peace.